Hello and welcome again to the Doogee show. Today we're going to show you some special features the F1 has. Let's start by the system gestures. We have three options in here. The three-finger screenshot that allows us to take a picture just by rubbing three fingers down the screen just like this, and it does a screenshot. The two-finger volume that allows you to, you see, lower and raise the volume with two fingers. Next, we have the Smart Wake Up. The Smart Wake Up, as you may know if you have a Doogee phone already, allows you to call on different functionalities from the phone just by drawing different signs on the lock-on screen. For example, we do a C and it goes to contacts. We do a A and start the browser, and these options can be configured separately. For example, we want E to go to documents to go. We just select documents to go, we turn it off, we do E, and it opens documents to go. Very useful and easy to use. Finally, we have the smart gestures. The smart gestures allow us to use the sensor over here to control diverse functionalities in our phone. For example, with this, just by waving our hand in front of the phone, we can browse through different applications. Let's talk now about the app lock application. What does the app lock does? So first of all, we set a password 1 2 3 4 5 6, easy to remember, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now in here we can set the applications we want to lock. For example, let's lock the file manager. Okay, so now if you try to open the file manager, it'll ask for a code, and if it's not the right code, you'll get no access to your application till you enter the right code. This way you can block any application you want from anyone you want. Let's talk now about the photo editor. So you can see we have different filters. You can put vintage, the white, Instagram, LED, blue. You can even preset more. And there are even different frames you can use. You can crop, you can straighten it if you want. You can rotate the picture. You can mirror it. You can directly draw on it if you want. There are plenty of functionalities you can use. And you can always see the original result and compare it with the modifications you've done. Finally, one of the most interesting features of this phone is what we call the camera box, specially designed for selfies. As you can see here, we can adjust the level of beauty. We have a normal and beauty mode. In beauty mode, it even detects the age of our cameraman over here. And we have several modes over here. B-sign, for example, that takes a picture when you do a peace sign. A smile mode that takes a picture when you smile, etc. It comes preloaded with plenty of modes for taking pictures. And once you've taken a picture, it comes with makeup and beauty and add-ons. For example, we can add a lovely hat in top of our cameraman over here. Okay, with he's kind of small, but we can even add a beard. We can adjust the size and the rotation. We can even put glasses on it. Etc. And it comes with also with makeup functions. So no face. Hold a second. Okay. Now let's see the makeup function over here. Elegant, original, charm. Okay, as you can see, our cameraman looks now really beautiful, doesn't he? Mature. Bold. He looks more and more beautiful by the minute. And you can adjust different settings, like for example, the amount of makeup you want on the face. You can even delete acne, you can even blush a little bit. Now we're gonna demonstrate the hot nut functionality of this phone. Yanga.